So we are now at 160 psi at 11:28 after a start at 10:37, and still drawn 125, 126 watts. Used about a little, about a half of the bag there, but we didn't, wasn't completely full to begin with, so it's hard to tell how many liters. That is a 1,000-liter bag, and probably used, maybe we used, not quite 500 liters, maybe. So, should we shut it off?
Yeah.
Started at 10:37. What did we say? It's now 11:27 basically, so we're talking about 50 minutes.
Tank is off.
Tank is off.
Okay.
Maybe it has to be unplugged.
There we go. Motor's off.
Yeah. Very good.